credit expert, and I'm doing a video blog about credit. I'm gonna ask you a few questions about credit, not your personal, just about credit in general.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, what do you know about credit? I mean, who taught you about credit? Like your personal credit? Something you just learned on the go? Maybe your parents taught you?
Credit?
Yeah, personal credit.
Credit's good.
Okay.
You know,
it is good if you know how to use it, right?
You use it for emergency.
Okay.
It establishes your personality.
It does. Okay.
Yeah.
Elaborate more on that. What does that exactly mean? Because I see a lot of people with bad credit, and they, you know, you kind of don't judge them based on the mistakes they made. But I know that lenders and creditors do. But what does that mean exactly to personality?
They get into bad credit because sometimes they have some lapses of making a payment.
Yeah, of course, things do happen, but
Yeah.
then there's a lot of people
you
that
got
just
laid off,
neglect it.
and you know, but credit is good.
Okay, that's good. Is there anything maybe you don't know you want to ask me, see if you could challenge me with the question?
Well, not really, because you know what, I don't use much credit.
You didn't
man.
use much credit. You feel
I'm-
more cash.
I
is
am
king?
I'm more on paying it right away. you
That's true. I mean, well, if you use a credit card and you use it, pay it off, that's going to really help your credit score. It's when you carry a balance that really hurts, right?
know? Yeah, that's something else.
Cool, man. Well, thank you so much. I understand you were on the break smoking your cigar,
Thank you,
cigarette,
sir.
but
All
thank
right,
you for the information. All right, have a
I'll,
good one.
I'll give you a card check.
Thank you, thank you. All right, so we have someone there that said credit resembles your personality. Never heard that one before, but it definitely makes sense. So guys, if you have bad credit, does that mean you have bad personality? I don't know, guys, but you can talk to some more people. See you guys soon.